Good morning, students. My name is Rajni Singh and I am your SST teacher. I hope you are staying at home and doing well in this corona pandemic situation. So let's start today's topic.
So our topic is maps and globes. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life as it has air and water. We know that students that among all the 8 planets, the Earth has only life because Earth has all essential elements which supports life. For example, air, water, soil, etc. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The big land masses are called continents and the water bodies are called oceans. It means big land masses को हम continents कहते हैं और water bodies को oceans. There are smaller water bodies like the rivers, lakes, gulfs, bays, and the seas. Let's know about continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, and Australia. Among all these, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Continents are separated by large water bodies. It means continents को water bodies separate करती हैं. Each continent is divided into many countries. Further continents countries में divided होती हैं. Like our India lies in Asia continent. Now students, let's know about oceans. There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Among all the 5 oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It separates America from Asia and Australia. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest among all the 5 oceans. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, which separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. Now, students, it's time to know about the shape of the Earth. The Earth is spherical in shape, like a orange. But long ago, it was believed that the Earth was flat. People believed that if we travel to the edges, we would fall off. It means पुराने समय में लंबे समय में लोग ये बिलीव करते थे कि अर्थ कैसी है, वो फ्लैट है और वो बिलीव करते थे कि अगर वो ज्यादा लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेंगे तो वो गिर भी सकते हैं अर्थ के एज पे पहुंचकर. But explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and astronomers like Copernicus proved that the Earth was not flat, it is round in shape. Photographs from space and satellite images have also proved that Earth is spherical in shape. Look at your PPT and see the image of globe. Now we will read about globe. A globe is a round model of the earth. It means globe हमारे अर्थ का एग्जैक्ट मॉडल है and it represents the earth in a simple and accurate way. It means ये हमारे अर्थ को represent करता है. हमारा अर्थ globe की तरह ही है. It not only shows the shape, size and location of the continents and water bodies, but also help us to understand the Earth's movement on its axis and around the sun. It means student, ये हमें न केवल अर्थ पर प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिनेंट और वाटर बॉडीज की शेप साइज के बारे में बताता है, बट ये अर्थ की मूवमेंट को समझने में भी हेल्प करता है. लाइक आप ग्लोब में आप देख सकते हैं 2 एक्सिस हैं. सिमिलरली हमारे अर्थ में भी 2 इमेजिनरी एक्सिस हैं. जो अर्थ के मूवमेंट में अर्थ को हेल्प करती है। Now students, globe has many advantages and it has certain disadvantages too. Advantages क्या क्या है? So ये हमें एग्जैक्ट शेप, लोकेशंस और डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने में हेल्प करती है। और डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या क्या है? इट शोज ओनली वन साइड एट वन टाइम एंड इट कैन नॉट बी कैरिड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आपने ग्लोब की डिसएडवांटेजेस के बारे में जाना। ग्लोब की इन्हीं डिसएडवांटेजेस की वजह से मैप की इन्वेंशन हुई। So now let's read about what is map. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. It means, student, map word Latin word mappo से derived हुई है, जिसका मतलब है napkin. So the origin of map is mappo. A map is a representation of the earth surface or a part of it on a flat surface. It means, students, फ्लैट सरफेस पे जब हम अर्थ को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो मैप कहलाता है, which is not possible on globe. A book of maps is called an atlas. It means collection of map is called an atlas. Students, map can be drawn on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities, neighborhoods, and even marketplaces. Now, students, we will read about types of map. It means maps कितने type के होते हैं. There are different kinds of maps. Each kind gives different kinds of information. जितनी तरह के मैप्स होते हैं, अलग अलग मैप्स अलग अलग टाइप के इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करते हैं। फर्स्ट मैप इज पॉलिटिकल मैप्स। These maps define or show political boundaries of countries, states, cities, and other political divisions. Political map students हमें टू कंट्रीज के बीच की बाउंड्री, टू स्टेट्स के बीच की बाउंड्री, सिटीज के बाउंड्रीज को शो करते हैं, पॉलिटिकल बाउंड्रीज को शो करते हैं। फिजिकल मैप, these maps show physical features like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, rivers, and other water bodies. जब हम इंडिया, आउट ऑफ इंडिया, अदर कंट्रीज के फिजिकल फीचर को जानना चाहते हैं तो फिजिकल मैप हमें इसमें हेल्प करती है। Beside these, there are other maps that show crops grown, minerals found in various places, rainfall in different areas, industries, population, transport, soil, natural resources, forests, and wildlife. Now, students, we will read about language of maps. To understand the information given on a map, we must know its language. Without knowing its language, we are not able to understand any map. So, what are the languages of map? First one is direction. There are four main directions which you can see on the PPT also: north, south, east, west. And there are four sub-directions: northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. These directions are universally accepted. The second language of map is scale. All maps are drawn to scale. This is because all maps drawn are not as large as the area they depict. For example, 1 centimeter is equals to 100 kilometer. It means, students, सारे मैप स्केल की हेल्प से ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं ताकि दो प्लेसेस के बीच की दूरी का एग्जैक्ट पता लगाया जा सके। इसलिए मैप्स उतने बड़े नहीं ड्रॉ होते जितना कि वो एरिया डिपिक्ट कर रहे होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिल्ली और कोलकाता के बीच की दूरी 14 किलोमीटर है। ये दूरी आप मैप पे शो कर सकते हो? नहीं। बट अगर आप 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 किलोमीटर अज्यूम कर लेते हैं, तो दिल्ली और कोलकाता के बीच की दूरी कितनी होती है? ये केवल 14 किलोमीटर हो जाती है, जो कि हम मैप में इजीली शो कर सकते हैं। Third language of map is colors. Maps show many colors. Each color shows a particular thing on a map. Usually maps follow common scheme of colors. For example, blue color used to show water bodies, brown for mountains, green for plains, and yellow for deserts and scrub lands. The fourth language of map is symbols. Every map has a key. This key contains of symbols and colors used in a map, and that's why they depict. It means, students, in map there are different types of symbols used to show large bodies like mountains, lakes, rivers, and bridges, which is not possible to show exactly on map. I hope, students, you understood the chapter well. Thank you and have a nice day.